Hey YouTube, it's Haku4547. Today I purchased 6 regional battle packs in a special edition. Hopefully I get some awards this time. Alright. I'm gonna open the packs first. I'll open the regional battle special edition first. Alright, so yeah. Dark Creator. Gay. I'll open up the packs. Pack 1. Mind Trust, Tuner Capture, Magic. Alright, that's pack 1. Pack 2. Sure, all these. Ooh, Earthbound Kapu Apu. And Ojama Red. Alright, pack 3. Miracle Lotus, Black Whirlwind for trade, Tree Auditor. Alright, that was alright. Pack 4. Big Feather, Mind Trust, Electronics, Beast Striker, and Moja. Pretty good pull so far. Wait, let me find the rare Tree Otter. Right, pack 5. Pack 5. GB Hunter, Shura, Jump Box, Rose Tentacles, Deep Sea Diva, Electronic Fire, Mirror Votes, Oath, and Lava Dragon. Pack 6. Right. Tuner Capture, Miracle Lotus, Jump Box, Stormwind Dragon, Emperor Sem, Minion Centaur, Gigastone Omega, Reckless Power, Wrecking Power, Iron Core, Immediate Disposal. Alright, 3 packs left. Let's hope for some good stuff as well. Alright, whoa, pack 7 or 8, I don't know. Gadget Arms, Electronic Scopin, Wicked, Rebirth, Videon, Against the Wind, Proof of Powerlessness, Lava Dragon, Urgent Synthesis, Vanguard. Right. 2 packs left. Black Whirlwind, Kaloop, Crimson, Phoenixian Seed, Common Magic, Centaur, Spine Gilman, Mortronic Bind, Mirror of Oath. Right, last pack, hoping for a hollow, I should say. Phoenixian, Gadget, Rose, Fake Feather, and Iron Core Kawaki Maru. Wrecking Power, Vanguard, Spine, and Urgent Synthesis. Okay, so from this I got rare. Alright, pulled Common Magic, which I'm a red, Moja, Tree Otter, Deep Sea Diva, Iron Core, Common Magic against the win at Emperor Sem. That was the rare. And for the hollows, I got a Dark Creator, Earthbound, Beast Striker, Strongwind Dragon. And like yesterday, I pulled a Dark Creator again, and then a lower. These are all going to be for trade. Just don't offer anything yet, because I'm making a new trade binder soon. So, yeah, right. And also, I might make... Also, if you have a Destiny Draw, please trade with me, because I need Destiny Draw really bad. Because I'm almost done making my deck. All I need is 2 Destiny Draws and 2 Malicious. I mean, 1 Malicious. So yeah, alright. Peace out, YouTube.